Today we're talking about Fal.Ai, friends. This is a generative media platform for developers, and you can build the next generations of creative with Fal lighting fast influence. So, guys, this is the dashboard of this software. You can create, you can using Flux image, you can generate image. You have API, and you have a lot of options on this website, guys. You can see here. This is guys engines fastest way to run divisions models. You can run models up to 4x, enables to new users for experience, leverage our real-time infrastructures. You have all these features, guys, for private divisions models, fast inference engines of divisions models. You have fine-tune your own models. You can see here best LoRa trainers for industry for Flux. This is the dashboard, guys. You can manage. You have workspace from here with workflow. You can create workflow from here and just click create, and you have this option to create workflow, and you have API apps. You can use all these models apps, private development. So guys, this is API for this video. For you, don't forget give like and share this video for more content.